I want to talk to you today about explicit versus implicit nervous system regulation. So explicit just means it's something that we're consciously doing. This could be like breath work or taking a deep breath when you feel overwhelmed, grounding yourself. Implicit regulation is when we're supporting the nervous system to, from the bottom up, reset itself. And I want to say that like conscious breath work, all of those things are incredibly beneficial because they do build resiliency into the system the same way that like a cold plunge does. But what I want to invite you to explore is the next time you feel maybe overwhelmed or you notice yourself trying to take that deeper breath to calm yourself down, notice the impulse to take that deeper breath. Notice that impulse that feels like you're not getting enough air, and actually hang with that for a little bit. If you hang with that, what will happen is your body will naturally need more oxygen, so it will take a deeper breath. And that's that implicit regulation where it comes from the bottom up. And what that does is it reprograms the nervous system so we don't have to continue to come in from the top down to try to cope with the stress that's coming through. It's a twofold. We do want to continue to do these practices that build in resiliency, and we want to support the system in implicitly learning how to regulate itself.